as we explore the potentials of bugo for sorghum or soybeans production, the first process that we need to do is determine the type of soil and the nutrients in the soil. So Rocky here is conducting our soil testing process for nitrogen. Very depleted sa nitrogen, 6.5. What is the ideal?
Dapat na mga 30 something para lang mo fall siya sa low.
Low pa yung 30. Oh. So it's 6.5.
6.5. So may computation and equation yung computer nimo. Okay.
What was the other measurement?
Kani is for potassium, it is a little bit. Maunang ginasulti na ako sa
potassium.
Soil test kit all over the Philippines. Always ang result is low sa nitrogen. PNP, aasok nito. Yet sequestered. Sequestered siya, meaning hindi siya available.
Ma-access sa plants.
And we need to unsequester it. Parang atong bira is nitrogen. So kanina 34, it's not bad. This translation.
That's potassium. Basic soil testing lang po ito. NPK. Nitrogen very low, 6.5 out of the low requirements of over 30.
It makes sense. So tahunin mo siya 2.5. So meaning ang potassium nimo, which is really responsible for making your sugar sweet, 2.6.
Mababa. Okay, so at least ngayon alam natin kung ano ang characteristic ng lupa sa bugo. At least one area bugo. Itong lupa na to, Dr. Ronald Oporto.
Low terrain.
Low terrain. Ito pagmamayari ng Martinez family.
Martinez o Miranda?
Miranda family ng bugo. And this has been planted to sugarcane since time immemorial. Gaano kalayo ang Bantayan from here?
If the other, you just have to follow this road going down to Bantayan.
Okay. So because Bantayan, I asked about Bantayan because Bantayan produces a lot of eggs and broilers, di ba?
You have to travel agad, take a boat.
Okay. Now, the good thing about that is we could help rehabilitate the soil of bugo and other areas planted to sugarcane by using chicken manure, fermented chicken manure, para mabalik ang microbes, ma-rehabilitate ang lupa. It's a huge task, but if you want to produce more, you really have to do that. Kami ni Rocky, we've learned about this through years of trial and error. So this is one of the areas where we intend to introduce sorghum. Of course, soybeans. Soybeans will be a very good crop. Kasi pag in-intercrop mo sa sorghum, i-rehab na yung soil. Alright, so kinikilala natin yung lupa ng Cebu. And at first glance,
Wapo, Sandilom.
Sandilom, mababa sa nitrogen, okay yung potas saka phosphorus. Pero kailangan ma-enhance natin yung capability ng tanim na magamit yung potas saka phosphorus. Sa nitrogen, you really have to introduce maybe fermented chicken manure para ma-rehab yung lupa at ma-rehabilitate.